This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling Secure Folder so apps and files live separately. Open Settings, go to Security and Privacy, then Secure Folder and sign into your account. This links storage. Once done, grant the requested permissions so system services can isolate data. Next, choose a lock method, PIN, pattern, or fingerprint for quick access and strong protection. This creates an encrypted container on your Moto G85, which is why applications moved here won't mix with your main profile. Now add what you need inside the container. Tap Add Apps to move existing apps or install new ones directly into Secure Folder. This keeps app data separated. Then use Add Files to import documents, photos, or audio. Choose Copy to keep originals outside or Move to remove them from the main profile. Make sure to adjust app notifications and home screen shortcuts so alerts remain private. Because Secure Folder uses its own storage, apps run independently and won't share data with your regular apps. Finish by configuring backup and visibility. Turn on Secure Folder Backup to your Samsung account so you can restore settings and files later. This prevents data loss. You can then hide or lock the folder and remove shortcuts to reduce casual discovery. If something goes wrong, missing apps or files, make sure Secure Folder permissions and storage access are enabled. Check that the originals weren't deleted, and re-add items if needed. If lock methods fail, use account recovery to regain access while preserving security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.